Good afternoon, crafty friends. So today is Saturday, but I actually started working on this yesterday. So I knew that I wanted to create some stuff in Adobe and then also on Cricut because I wanted to make a really cute get well card. And so today I'm using the KSCraft heart balloon shakers. Okay, you don't have to make it a shaker if you don't want to, but I love that you have the option that you can. So right here we have 3 little balloons, and what I love here is that they have the little stitching, and also this little size right here allows it to become a shaker as well, right? And then this would be your background and your acetate, or if you don't want to create a shaker, this would still be your background, and then you could do this little piece on top and you could put like a little sentiment in there. That'd be really cute. And then also you have this little heart as well, so you kind of have these different styles of hearts, and I really love this one too. And then also she gives you this tiny little bow to put on the balloons. And also you have your little strings. So you have kind of like a curlicue and then just like a little bit of a wavy one, right? So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, don't forget to visit the KSCraft store on AliExpress, and also she has they have an Amazon store as well, and I'll have all those links down below for you. And I'm probably, not just probably, I know I am, I'm going to be using these cute little shakers from her store. I'm probably going to be using these sentiments as well, and I think I'm just going to use the little pink lips and then the little white lips in here. Oh, maybe I'll use the red ones. I don't know, because it'll kind of go with the theme of the card. So I decided to use the Graphic 45 paper, and I don't remember which one it is. Hold on. It is By the Sea. I apologize. So this is an older collection that I have some left over, and I thought it would be fun to really make this cute get well card. And here is the little heart pieces. So what I did is I went ahead and I punched this through, and I usually do 2 pieces of paper at the same time to, you know, like, so I can do 2 at a time. So that's 2, 4, and then 6 of this one. Let me, well, I already put it up, but hold on. I can't believe I did that. Okay, so 2 of this one, and then, I'm sorry, 6 of that one. And then I did 2 of this one. So I did 1 in a light blue color, and then I also did my acetate, and I know it's hard to see, but hopefully y'all can see that. So 2 of those. So I have my background and then my piece to keep in the shaker. Then also I'm going to show you the 5x7 card, and I did make this all on Cricut for you except for the sentiment. I created in Adobe, and then I went ahead and put it in Cricut. So I have a base card, 5x7, and then I have the layering pieces for you. Okay, so this would be on the inside along with my centerpiece right here, and it says, "I hope you feel better whale soon, XOXO." Okay, so I thought that was kind of cute. And then we have our little front, you know, layer piece for our card. Now here is my little whale, and I created this for you, and I made a Cricut file for it. So you have, again, you this little card turned out. I love the little whale. I decided to add an eye and a mouth. And also I added in this little band-aid, and that was from Cricut as well. So the eyes I created, but the mouth was in Cricut already, and so was the band-aid. So anyway, don't forget to visit KSCraft Lovers store and to add this amazing little heart shaker collection. You can do so much with this. Baby cards, congratulations, get well cards, you name it, Valentine's. You know, you can do anything with these adorable little heart shakers, and I just love the little balloon strings. It's just so cute. Anyway, hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, and I will have all the links down below. Have a great one, guys. Bye!